Okay, so we have our first question, which is 9 plus 5. Now, here is a tens and ones grid. We've been using them in class to work out just normal addition of two-digit numbers, so children should know how to do it. In this lesson, you are going to be doing it using pictures, or basically writing your working out. So you would be drawing sort of your tens and ones. We are using concrete resources in class as well, and then the next lesson is going to be just looking at abstract, so we're just going to be using numbers in these grids. But for now, we're going to be using the tens and ones. So let's have a look at the points here. So values of each number, how many tens and ones? So I know that we've got 9 ones and 5 ones, so I'll put that in those boxes. So this is in the ones column here. Now we don't need to partition the number because we've only got ones. If we had tens, then that would be when we were partitioning. So add the ones first. Now we have 9 ones there, 5 ones there. Now it is much easier to add 10 and then the rest. So if we've got 9 here, I know that my number belongs to 10. 9 add 1 equals 10. So I'm going to move one of those up there. So now I've made a 10. I've got 4 left over. I'm going to swap these 10 ones for one 10. So I'll put that down in the tens column now. 10, 1 10, 4 ones equals 14. We have the next question, 16 add 8. So the value of each number, 1 10 and 6 ones. 1 10 and 6 ones. Then I've got 8 ones, so we're going to put them there. So we partition the number into tens and ones because we've got tens and ones there, and just the ones because it is 8. So then we need to add the ones first. I have 6 ones up here. Remember, I want to make 10 and add the rest. So I've got 6 ones. 6 add 4 equals 10, so I'm going to move 4 up there to make another 10. I've got 4 left over, so I've got 4 ones. I've got 1, 2 tens, 2 tens and 4 ones, 24. We have the next sum, 14 add 29. Now, important, we need to start with the biggest number first. Alright, so we've got 29. So let's put the 29 in there. We've got 2 tens, 9 ones, partition the number. Next number, 14. We've got 1 10 and 4 ones. Now we need to add the ones. We've got 9 ones here. Remember, it's easier to add 10 and then the rest. So I've got 9 ones there, I want to make 10, so 9 add 1. I've got 3 left over, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 tens, 4 tens and 3 ones, 43. So the next question we have is 28 add 37. Remember, the biggest number, we'll start with the biggest number first, so because we're not adding as many as we would be. So we'll have 37, we'll partition it. We've got 3 tens and 7 ones. 28, we've got 2 tens and 8 ones. Now we're going to add the ones. We have 7 ones up here. We want to make 10. 7 add 3 makes sense. I'm going to take 3 from here to make 10. I've got 5 left over. And then I've got 1 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've got 6 tens and 5 ones equals 65.